Dude, another special marine warning. What the heck? Another one. It's this one. What the heck, dude? Whoa, what the heck?
The following is an urgent warning from the
Dude,
National Weather
more
Service.
special marine warnings.
The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for waters from Pigeon Point to Point Pinos 10 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point 10 to 60
Dude,
nautical
what the
miles
heck?
until 11:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 11:09 a.m. Pacific Standard
Dude.
Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located
Bro,
20
another special
nautical
marine
miles
warning.
west of Point Pinos.
Oh my god.
North at 20 knots.
This is a special wind
Water
statement.
spouts and wind gusts to 40 knots.
Dude,
Source,
what the
radar.
heck?
Impact. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged.
Look at that.
Briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm.
What the heck is going on?
Open waters. Move to safe harbor
Look,
until
literally.
hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce
It's literally
sudden water
intensifying.
spouts. Water spouts can easily
What the
overturn
heck?
boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
Dude, this is so much.
The penguin! The penguin!
Dude.
The penguin!